Ito na liyan din ng garagi. Lumimuli pa lang walang mayuwang ng rakang lista. Dato ba natutup, orang-orang mo labrang.
Orang dito sumang sana. Bumiram betala sa dahil ko. Ito lang talo ko bulan.
E tava binaksakan na tutupo po di Bingarabi. Namun sana po turong buwan ni may doon makita so tan kina mandigi. Ya do sa tika na kira na kabi na tika na no. May nanumi may biso mi tagi sa to kana bugun kina may Bingarabi sa tika na so kung bimbi na sini kuha. Sana no masaka me na sinitor kita pambalaw. Sana po gata ke weekend na non retutu na ngone turanga na minista ninggol-ninggol. O kaya sa kami una pa sa papalag yung balitira na daw ulit tutuku karati korawa. It is indeed a great honor and privilege for me this morning to be present here for this historical event, which is to officially hand over the solar freezer to the Annual Level Fisheries Association on this island. I believe that this government assistance is a timely one and will improve the quality of your fish and other marine products before it reaches the required markets and therefore improve the income generated and daily livelihoods of our island community. We understand that the main source of income for the island is mainly fishing, and we believe that you will utilize this government assistance to its maximum to see you better in the future. I also need to acknowledge our fishing community for your cooperation and support for the establishment of the Annual Level Fisheries Association, which is a driving factor for this assistance. The current government's initiative is mostly concentrating on cooperatives or association assistance rather than of individuals, so establishment of the Annual Level Fisheries Association is a doorway to a better relationship between the association, Ministry of Fisheries, and other stakeholders. I believe that the solar freezer request was highlighted to a team that did visit the island in 2017, and I also need to thank you all for your patience as this promise have materialized today. I also wish to highlight a very important point to all fishers here in this morning is that the Ministry of Fisheries still does have a major challenge of obtaining data from fishers, which is one of the very important components to our ministry in terms of, one, identifying the daily fishing efforts from our fishers. Two, identifying the different resources at each fishing ground. Three, assisting in decision making at national and international levels. Fourth, improving our ministry's contribution to our annual GDP. Through this basic analytic information, it will assist the government a lot in creating appropriate decisions to be implemented, and also to implement sustainable resource management measures that need urgent actions. I also wish to inform you all that the current ban imposed by the Ministry of Fisheries is still in place like 1, ban on use of UBA gears, 2, ban on fish or sold of beach dima, 3, ban on kaukaua and dono species, June to September annually, and 4th, the poaching. These current bans are imposed to improve the sustainability of the marine biodiversity at our fishing grounds, and the impacts of these bans have been widely supported by most of our fishing communities, and I encourage each of us to support this initiative for the benefit of all. Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe that these few words will challenge us all and therefore provide in-depth thoughts and create new positive dimension for our effort in sustaining our resource for future generations. Nasa Walim.
Ni kalona tamanda ke na luvena ke na alotambu nei vurvuri ni bodengu nei vurvuri ni mbula nei vurvuri talangani no muni viva kalunga tagi na kalunga merakana merangunu merarawata na nonda marau mervalingi ke muni ka ba do te ke muni chukina
Kalau baca kita nak tahu tu perintah bentol kini kuat. Yuk.
Maka kalau muni katung lele oke ndak kita malam ni.
Tama-tama kata-kata di sini. Sama bilang wala-wala sa ni kita bikin dolo na araw.
Ya sudah, minta tambah Pak, mulai